Today I'm showing you how to make your own APK for an old Gorilla Tag multiplayer. So all you'll need is your Photon and your PlayFab. And then you will need the Easy APK tool and Unity Asset Bundle Extractor. And some type of old version of Unity. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to download the APK in the description from the Discord server. Then once you have it, you want to find it. So I have mine right here. And then you're going to open the Unity Asset Bundle Extractor. Then go to File. Or not yet. We'll just keep it open though. Then Easy APK tool. Once you have Easy APK tool opened, you're going to click on Select Decompiled APK. Or no, not that yet. You're going to click on Browse. And then you are going to... Wait, no. So yeah, select Decompiled APK. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to click on Browse. Then you're going to find your APK that you downloaded. And then you're going to go to Options. And you are going to see Decompiled APK Directory. You can change this to whatever directory you want. For me, I am going to put it in my decompiled Unity games folder. Then go back to main, and then click on decompile. Here in the corner, you want to make sure you actually have it. For me, it's right here, so that's perfect. Then go back to your Unity Asset Bundle Extractor, go to File, Open. Don't need these yet, but make a new folder for files later in the video. So go to your decompiled one, and then you want to go to Assets, Bin, Data, and then you want to find the data.unity3d. Then if it says that it's compiled, click on Decompile, and then you're going to name it whatever you want, but put it in the folder that I said for you to just create. Okay, and once you've done that and you're on this screen right here, click on Info, then scroll all the way down to the 2019 version. Click on OK. Then just grab this, scroll all the way down, then scroll up a bit until you find Mono Behavior, PlayFab Shared Settings, and Photon Server Settings. So on the PlayFab Shared Settings, click on Export Raw. And then this is where you're going to put it, and you're going to rename it depending on what you chose. So I chose the PlayFab Shared Settings, so I'm going to name it PlayFab.dat. And then for the Photon, export raw, then name it photon.dat. Once you've done that, you're going to download X. Once you have it in, you click on this little file button, and then you want to select both of these, click on open. Then in photon.dat, select all of this right here. This will be your real-time app ID. So create a real-time app ID. For me, mine is right here. Then click right here, Control C. Then in here, Control V. Then select this second line of numbers and letters and make a voice thing. And then click right here, Control C, and paste it in. Then you can click on save, then go to your playfab.dat, and then create a new playfab, and then find your playfab title ID, which would be right about here. Control C. And then right where it says all of this, Control V. Then you can click on save, then go back to the Unity Asset Bundle Extractor, then click on the Photon server settings, click on import raw, photon.dat, then playfab, then import raw, playfab.dat, click on OK, then click on yes, then go to file, and then save. Then in this folder with all of this, we're going to do data.unity3d. Click save. Then find the data.unity3d that you just found. Click on this scissor thing or Control X. Then paste it. Click on replace. Then once you've done that, go back into APK Easy Tool. Then go to options, or no, go to main, then select decompiled APK, and select your decompiled APK. Then click on OK. Then change your compile name to whatever you want. Then click on compile. Okay, and once it says sign successful, it's done. But don't install it to your VR or show it to your friends yet. You want to go to your playfab that you created, then go to economy, go to currency legacy, and click on new currency. Then where it says currency code in capitals, do SR, then display name, Shiny Rocks. Then for initial deposit, which will be the first time you log onto a game, how many Shiny Rocks you'll have. So I am going to do 25,000. Then recharge rate, I'm going to do 1,000. Then the maximum is how many Shiny Rocks you can have. So I'm just going to set it to that much. Then click on save currency. And if it's too long, just delete it a bit. And then once it's like this much, click on save currency. But I already have it, so yeah. So once you see it right here and everything's like this, you want to go to your add-ons. Scroll down till you'll see Photon. Then click on install Photon, and where it says real-time app ID, copy your real-time app ID that you created. Then for the voice app ID, then click on how to set up Photon real-time with PlayFab. Then copy this, go to your real-time, click on manage. Then under authentication, you want to click on, I think it says add new or custom server. Then paste it in here. Then where you see this right here, copy your PlayFab title ID. Then paste it in where it says this. Make sure you delete the brackets as well, or else it will not work. Then once you've done that, click on create. Okay, then scroll down to webhooks. Then click on create a webhook. Then you want to remove the async join. Or okay, and once you're in here, where it says base URL, delete that. Go back to here, scroll down a bit, and find this, copy it, then paste it in. Then where it says Photon secret key, go back to your PlayFab, click on install Photon. And then it will generate a new Photon secret key. Then where it says in the very back, Photon secret key, delete all of it, including the brackets, paste. Then where it says PlayFab title ID, want to once again delete the brackets, copy the title ID of your PlayFab, and then paste it in. Okay, then where it says custom HTTP headers, click on remove. And then where it says has error info, keep it as false and is persistent, false. Then path close, room closed. Path create, room created. Path event, room event raised. Path game properties, room property updated. Path join, room joined. Path leave, room leave. Click on save. And boom, once you have that, go back to your dashboard. Then click on how to set up Photon chat with PlayFab, and even though it says chat, it's going to be voice. Then where it says dashboard configuration, it's the same exact thing, except there is no webhooks this time. So copy it. Go to your voice. On mesh. And under authentication, you do the same thing that you did with your real time. Okay, and once you've done that, click on Save Settings. And then for the last part, go to Economy, Catalogs Legacy. And as you can see, I have it, but you won't. So you want to go to the link in the description to the GTAG copies, scroll down to DLC, and then download the updated DLC.json file. Go back to the catalogs PlayFab, click on upload JSON file, click on choose file, and then select the updated DLC.json. Click on upload file, and it will show a updated DLC, but for now I only have the regular DLC. And then once you've done that, you're pretty much done. You can give anybody infinite or every single item in your game.